Hello students, today we are going to solve exercise 6.2 of similar triangle. Question number 1. In this problem, DE is a line parallel to BC. According to problem, we have given AD is equal to 1.5 centimeter, DB is equal to 3 centimeter, AE is equal to 1 centimeter, and we have to find the value of EC. According to condition in a triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. Therefore, by Thal's theorem, we have AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. That implies 1.5 by 3 is equal to 1 by x. That implies 1.5 into x is equal to 1 into 3. That implies x is equal to 3 by 1.5. That implies x is equal to 2 centimeter. Answer. In question number 2, in this problem, we have given a triangle PQR. E and F are 2 points on side PQ and PR such that PE equal to 3.9 centimeter, EQ is equal to 3 centimeter, PF is equal to 3.6 centimeter, and FR is equal to 2.4 centimeter. Under this condition, we have to check whether EF be parallel to QR or not. Here, according to figure, PE by EQ is equal to 3.9 by 3. That means 1.3. Also, PF by FR is equal to 3.6 by 2.4. That means 3.6 by 2.4. 6 6 is 36, 6 4 is 24. 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4. That is 3 by 2. That is 1.5. From equation first and second, PE by EQ is not equal to PF by FR. So, by converse of Thal's theorem, we have EQ, EF is not parallel to QR. Proved. In question number 3, according to problem, we have given that in a figure ABCD, ML is parallel to BC and NL is parallel to DC. Then we have to show that AM by AB equal to AN by AD. According to figure, we have ML is parallel to BC and NL is parallel to DC. To prove AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. Here we see that in figure, let A, B, C be a triangle and ML is a line which is parallel to BC. Therefore, by using Thal's theorem, we can say that AM by AB is equal to AL by AC. Proof. In a triangle ABC, ML is parallel to BC. Therefore, by Thal's theorem, AM by AB is equal to AL by AC equation first. Similarly, in a triangle ACD, NL is parallel to DC. Therefore, by using Thal's theorem, we can write here that AN by AD is equal to AL by AC. Similarly, in a triangle ADC, NL is parallel to DC. Therefore, by Thal's theorem, AN by AD is equal to AL by AC. From equation first and second, right side be equal to each other. That implies left be also equal to each other. That means from equation first and second, AM by AB is equal to AN by AD. Proved. Now we are going to solve question number 4. In this problem, according to figure, DF is parallel to AE and DE is parallel to AC. Then we have to show that BF by FE equal to BE by AC. Now, according to figure, according to given figure, in a triangle ABE, DF is parallel to AE. DF is parallel to AE. Therefore, by Thal's theorem, we have BD by DA. BD by DA is equal to BF by FE, equation first. Similarly, in a triangle ABC, in a triangle ABC, DE is parallel to AC. Therefore, by Thal's theorem, we have BD by DA is equal to BE by AC, equation second. Now from equation 1 and 2, left sides are equal. That implies right must be equal to each other. Therefore, from equation first and second, BF by FE is equal to BE by EC, proved. Now question number 5. This figure is given in question. According to given figure, we have given that DE is parallel to OQ and DF is parallel to OR. Then we have to decide whether AF be parallel to QR or not. Now, according to figure, according to given figure, in a triangle PQO, ED is parallel to QO. So, by Thales theorem, we have PD by DO is equal to PE by EQ, equation first. Similarly, in a triangle POR, DF is parallel to OR. Therefore, by Thales theorem, we have PD by DO is equal to PF by FR. PD by DO is equal to PF by FR, equation second. From equation first and second, LHS be equal to each other. That implies its right sides must be equal to each other. Therefore, from equation first and second, PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. Now, in a triangle PQR, PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR, as we have proved. So, by converse of Thales theorem, we have EF is parallel to QR, proved. Now we are going to solve question number 6 of exercise 6.2 NCERT. According to given figure, AB is parallel to PQ and AC is parallel to PR. Then we have to check whether BC is parallel to QR or not. Now, according to figure, in a triangle PQO, AB is parallel to PQ. Therefore, by Thales theorem, PA by AO is equal to QB by BO. Equation first. Similarly, in triangle POR, AC is parallel to PR. Therefore, by using Thal's theorem, we can write PA by AO equal to RC by CO. Similarly, in triangle POR, AC is parallel to PR. Therefore, by Thal's theorem, PA by AO is equal to RC by CO. Equation second. Here we see that left side of both the equations are equal to each other. That implies its right side must be equal to each other. Therefore, from equation first and second, QB by BO is equal to RC by CO. QB by BO equal to RC by CO. But in triangle QOR, QB by BO is equal to RC by CO. Therefore, by converse of Thal's theorem, we can say that BC is parallel to QR. Now, in a triangle QOR, BQ by BO is equal to CR by CO. Therefore, by converse of Thal's theorem, BC is parallel to QR. Proved.